Morning everyone, Jen McAdam here. Just going to leave an update for existing and new members of the WhatsApp Onecoin Victim Support Group. As you are probably more than aware that we have been receiving continuous offenders into the group that share horrendous and offensive material and messages. And they do this to offend and disrespect members of the WhatsApp Onecoin Victim Support Group. And we are seeing pornographic images, hardcore pornographic material being shared by these offenders in the groups that are upsetting group members of WhatsApp victim support groups. We're not going to tolerate it any longer. These trolls have been doing this for 3 years, and enough is enough. Onecoin victims deserve respect and peace as they come to terms with their financial loss and the reality of this horrendous and hellish Onecoin multi-billion-dollar scam that they find themselves now within. We were promised a financial dream. Instead, we're faced with a financial nightmare. They don't deserve to be treated in this way by people who are solely out to offend members within the Onecoin Victim Support Group. So enough is enough, and that's why we've decided to move all of the Onecoin Victim Support Groups on WhatsApp over to Telegram. Telegram we have found to be a more reliable, secure and private chat platform. It also provides admins with the options to remove the offenders' posts and messages and remove the offenders too. It allows Onecoin victims in the Telegram group to keep their mobile number private from any other group members, which is a very good thing indeed. And also a Telegram group can hold up to 100,000 members, where WhatsApp can only hold 250 members. So from today onwards we will no longer be sharing official authoritative information and updates within the Onecoin WhatsApp groups. We will be sharing it in the Telegram group, and also we have a Onecoin Victim Support Group on Facebook. Onecoin victims are so fed up with the intimidation, the bullying, the threats that we have received from Onecoin to keep us in fear and in silence. It is our right as investors to speak out how we feel and how we were fraudulently lied to and deceived in this Onecoin fake cryptocurrency scam. And we deserve to do that in peace. So, from today, everyone, if you're in WhatsApp in the Onecoin Victim Support Groups, please, the link for the Telegram and Facebook Victim Support Group has been shared within the groups. Please contact any admin for the links to the groups as well. And please join us in Telegram as we move forward for truth, for justice, and to continue to raise awareness so that others, innocent people, do not lose their money in this hellish scam. Since 3 years now, we admins, supporters of the victim support groups, Onecoin victim support groups, have spoke to people all over the world who are utterly devastated, who sold their homes and lands, all their life savings, many even feeling suicidal. And they deserve support. Onecoin investors deserve support, and they will have support. And we will continue to support as we have been doing for the last 3 years. So hopefully see you all there, and for people who don't know me, for new members, I invested in Onecoin February 2016 with friends. Our total financial loss is over €250,000. My personal investment was €10,000. 2017 I spoke to London City Police Fraud Laundering Unit, who confirmed Onecoin to be a Ponzi fraud scam, advised me not to invest and advise others. We're 3 years in. Ruja Ignatova, the founder of Onecoin, scam, in October 2017 went on the run and into hiding from the US FBI as she became aware that she was going to be charged, and has been charged in her absentia, for conspiracy to commit wire fraud, conspiracy to commit money laundering, conspiracy to commit securities fraud and money laundering. To date, she is still on the run. When she is caught, she faces up to 90 years in prison. Her brother was arrested last year in LA, USA, and is now currently in New York jail. He's been charged with conspiracy to commit wire fraud. He pled guilty. He awaits sentencing. He also gave evidence at the Mark S. Scott US $400 million Onecoin money laundering trial in September, where he admitted that he knew Onecoin was a fraud. He also signed up. He also pled guilty to his charge, signed a 5K plea deal, and he is now a witness for the prosecution and an informant for the FBI. He still is awaiting sentencing, as is Mark Scott. He was found guilty of the $400 million money laundering US Onecoin trial, and he is due to be sentenced the end of March of this year. So that's where we are. We will continue, as I said, to share information within the Facebook Onecoin Victim Support Group and the new Telegram Onecoin Victim Support Group. We will continue to support Onecoin victims without a shadow of a doubt. Hope to see you all there. Take care.